Tuesday, beach day. Time to go to the beach with those two geeks in white eating pizza. But I think they just noticed that I'm recording them, and yeah. But yeah, so that's plans for today at 5:33. Princess Jasmine. Okay. See you later.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Walking?
Yeah, go to the galaxy.
You gonna walk all the way back here? And then all the way back there?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, good.
So lazy, Mauricio.
Hey, this is why they invent escalator shoes, man, I'm telling you.
They didn't invent
I'm gonna
escalator.
invent one, watch. When you see them on the TV in 50 years from now, I'm like, yeah.
Escalator shoes?
Yes.
Escalators go up.
The ones in the airport.
Wow, Mauricio, you don't know what you're talking about.
No?
You'll be hooked.
The ones in the airport, the ones that go straight and you can walk on it.
Okay.
Exactly.
What are those called?
Whatever.
Escalator.
Same difference.
You guys are funny.
Be like,
Whatever, I'm changing the song. Hey man, I'm turning left. What's up with that?
Blue PT Cruiser.
Where?
Up ahead.
Oh.
In front of
oh,
us.
son. Dishonor.
Yeah.
The Corpus Christi.
Ooh, we got close.
I'm pro. Calm down.
Fresh.
My heart is in my butt. Oh my gosh.
You need the boot.
Oh my gosh.
Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it.
See?
Father Pat?
Oh, hey, no, Nico.
Who's Father Pat?
Nico.
Father Pat's the father,
Yeah,
man.
the father. Hey, Nico.
There's Father Pat, Father
Nico.
Ron,
Wait,
Father
time out,
New
time
Guy.
out.
Father
Time out.
New.
Not funny.
Hey, I went to my cousin's church
Stop
and father,
funny.
right? And then the father was like, can all little kids come up here, please? We went to camp.
You're not my father.
And he's like, okay, what's the little saying they taught us? And we're like this, fear not. And then he's like,
What?
Yeah, it was funny. And he's like, it's a good thing you've interrupted, because then if someone interrupts you, can just say, fear not. It was funny. You might have started laughing.
Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa.
How did Ninja come about?
Okay. Oh no, it wasn't
Wait,
as funny the
How did
second
Ninja
time.
come about?
Ninja.
Ninjas in the...
Ninja.
No, the game.
It rhymes with oh, huh?
Yeah.
How did the game come about?
I don't know if I caught
Hey, how
that.
did the game?
Oh no,
How did the game come
I've
about?
never done recording.
Because they played it in ancient times.
No, seriously.
Against the show.
Seriously.
Okay, let's go to the beach.
The one time on Saturday,
Beach.
Whoa, I was killing it.
Oh, Ninja! I thought you meant like a video game.
You don't want any
Shoot
ninja
both of you
anymore.
in your
Dude,
thighs,
I've been
that way-
training.
No.
I got the twin dragon
Oh,
style.
I got a
the
bat.
OK
Knock
tribe.
both of you guys in your kneecaps so you can't
Dude.
walk nowhere. Like, ah, I'm
Come
No
on, like,
way.
twin dragon style.
You guys got nothing on me when it comes to
No,
Ninja.
the other guy. What's his name? Martin?
Nothing on Michelle Alcon. I think they can.
You Martin did it.
Where did
Oh
my
yeah,
hair
twin
thing
dragon
go?
style.
Where'd you want to go where?
What happened? What did you lose?
Oh, they're there.
Okay.
Hell, like a black thing. What is it?
So, like I said, they think they can beat me Ninja, but they got no.
Ah!
What?
Look, see, there's no
Ew,
sand
look,
on
he's
it.
gonna attack us. Clean it, there's still sand
There's
on
no
it.
more.
Yeah, there is. You look. Go! Look, he's never gonna leave you alone until you clean it.
It's clean, damn it.
He's in!
It's clean, Nico.
Okay, walk into the water. Maybe he'll walk
No, I
backwards.
got shoes on. What happened last time I walked in the water? My phone got wet.
He's like a surprise. Weezy, he's never gonna leave you alone. Wrestle! Wrestle! Oh, he would.
Ah, throw him.
You're dirty.
Okay, I'm done now.
Okay, Weezy's dirty now. We can do everything.
Okay.
It was like poop.
Wait, what? What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm so confused.
Hey, remember that one time we went to the beach?
Sure.
No. We went to the beach for the pile thingy?
Oh
Remember
yeah.
how Adrian had a major sunburn? I slapped him in the backhead with the handprint. Like, pah! And he had like a giant red hat on his back. It's on my face, I think.
Budget, 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 budget. You didn't like yours more?
Hey, what brand marshmallow was yours?
It's the 99-cent store kind.
You scored it too much. You had it first.
Yeah, and then you made it work.
I didn't touch the fire. Shut up.
Just sprinkle some foot powder on it.
I don't want you to know for my marshmallow.
Ready!
Scared.
Go!
That was smart. Music, go help your church! Oh, that's cute. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no!
Just take it. Oh, let's paint the
Do I want to join this? Okay, music.
Wait, how do you start it? Oh, it's starting. Ah, I got the camera. Oh, girls. Hey, look, there's Dom. He's walking. Look at him.
It's one hand. Ready!
Manhood that way. Come on.
What manhood? What happened? I don't know what happened.
Girls won.
Redo.
Girls won.